What's up, YouTubers? It's Nick's shop here. Actually, what's up? Nick's shop here, man. How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys like my videos, my intro, outros, different things. I gotta figure my car mechanic simulator. I did a video and then it had one of the copyrighted musics in there, so I had to take it out. And now I gotta figure out how to adjust my graphics on it because it's kind of like blurry when I record, and I don't want that. Plus, I noticed my game moves around too much, and I was like, I know it's a graphics issue part, so I gotta go into settings and fix that part. But hopefully, I can get it. But I got something new today, and I want to share it with everybody on YouTube, and hope you guys like it because I love my new stuff or my new toy I got today, and we're gonna take a look at it. Sorry for the mess a little bit. I haven't really cleaned up at all lately, but yeah, still got empty cigarette packs I don't need anymore. Yeah, I switched over to a Newport because haven't smoked them in a long time, so figured why not. But it's the best $15 product I bought. Hey, leave it alone. 10 darts in this clip. It's like real magazine. You push it down and put the darts in. Now, what kind of dart gun did I get? Well, I could buy attachments and everything, and voila! I love it. This thing is so freaking awesome. And the coolest part is, to this edition, I can go like that. I can take that off. I can put different barrels. Off. My daughter's throwing a fit earlier. She started to cry and whine because she thinks I bought this for her, and I was like, no, I bought it for myself. You got like, how many dart guns do you got? Nerf guns?
2 of them.
You got 5.
5
dart guns. Now Daddy's got 1. And
I got 2.
I think this is gonna be a cool build. I don't know if there's any attachments for it. I kind of hope there is, but it's pretty easy to do. You just pull back on that. And if I wanted to, I could take the bump stock off. But look at this. Look how amazing that is. It is so cool. I gotta go find my dart now.
What you got?
That was a big
Look behind my car. Look behind my car.
Real. I haven't shot myself with it yet, so I don't know if it hurts. I shot her with it. She's like, ow.
You know what? And that's a dog that runs in there.
Yeah, turn your light on for me, please.
What?
Turn your light on.
The light on. Where did it go? It's in the pin.
Oh, I was like, oh, I found it. I think I found it. That's not it.
No.
And I don't have my flashlight for my camera, so it's hard to see.
Yep, it's hard to see. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Why would I be okay?
Hey.
That's the random stuff, child.
Don't worry about it.
It's funny if I go, ow. She goes, are you okay? It's so funny. Watch. Ow! He looks at me and laughs. Really? Yeah, okay.
Okay. This man was in the dogs. Wait, I can't see no more dog in there. One more dog. So we did some more kids, but after that, this shot, it's over.
Not near her camel.
What?
I had to go near the... I just know I didn't want a toy back somewhere. Oh well. But I want to put a scope on it. I want to do some different things.
Yep.
And hopefully I can do this. Okay.
Okay.
You got this little orange button here.
It's button over there. But it's
It's always
fancy.
a pain in the butt. Ow!
You okay?
Gotta do it.
Yeah. What? Die right
flip.
what it does.
It's like the real thing. Just put it in, slap in place. That easy. I don't know how,
Daddy.
but this is what it does.
Hey, Dad.
What?
You want this one?
No. Then if I want to, I can just go.
First, I have this one. You need to have that one. Then, we need to put this back on.
Yeah, leave it alone.
You need to put that thing back on. Get fire. Go in there. Okay, that's gonna be
Not too
hard.
bad. But it's kind of cool how it goes right down that barrel, you know?
Yeah, I don't put
Hey,
it.
get in the camera. Move.
This is
Nope.
huge.
But I want to see if I can buy different attachments. Get out of the camera shot. Here, take your gun. Actually, let me see this. Thank you.
That's so sad.
That's fine.
I know it's fun. Dad, how you doing this back in here?
There's a little bit longer tips.
You have brain.
I gotta do. You just gotta push this down a little bit.
Way down, way
Move your one finger.
Then more.
Move, child. Just like that. It's real easy. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. And this is one of the coolest Nerf guns I got so far.
That's so cool, awesome.
And it's called Tactical Storm. I think that's what it says. So that's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.